Hello everybody, back working on stuff again. My 25-year-old Coleman air conditioner stopped working. You could hear it, it was like buzzing, but the fan wasn't turning. So I guess it's time for a new AC unit. But we're gonna check these things. First of all, what you want to check is the capacitors. These guys. It says on it, I don't know if you can see that, 5UF, that's microfarads, and it says plus or minus 6%, so you need a multimeter that can measure microfarads or capacitance, and I checked it, and it was 2 microfarads. So I'm thinking that this thing is not giving enough power. So what I did is I went and ordered right here. I ordered a new one, $20. We'll see if that works. I haven't tried it yet. I tested this one too. This one was good. Those are your capacitors right there. If this works, it's a $20 fix instead of getting a $4,000, $3,000 new air conditioner. Okay, let's try this out now, see if it works. Okay, so I just turned the AC back on. Let's see if this worked. Please, God. It's so hot right now. Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. $20 fix. This puppy's 25-year-old air conditioner, still works perfect. All it was a little capacitor. Job well done.